Now this is the most powerful gun we have here. Don't let this thing fool you. It's like in that movie Men in Black, the biggest gun.
You can't hit a bullseye.
We're hooking up to take trash out. Okay. We're gonna hook up to take trash out. At the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and use this to push, look at all this free wood chips we're getting from the city. Oh no, I'm sorry, we're getting it from this guy who owns a tree service. And then she's over there cleaning up some brush and some garbage. She's gonna tie it onto it. There's an old water tote over there. She's gonna go ahead and pull it out. So we're all working together first thing in the morning to get this done. So we moved all this from out here to in here so the chickens can go ahead and do their thing. This will be our garden next year. This year our garden's up there where the rabbits are at. But next year this will be our garden. And then we'll move the chickens into our this year's garden. You guys did a good job on this one. Okay, that's good. Turn it off. Turn it off. Thank you, Kaylin. Thank you. No. All right, Emma, you ready to go to the convenience center? Yeah. Can you strap that down, Ben?
Oh yeah.
Look at them. They're gonna have a blast in there. It's like a little playpen. We gave them all that. They're gonna knock that down. I want you guys to remember in this video, look how high that pile is, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how high that pile is. So I'm at ground level right now. You see how high it is, right? It's roughly about, I would say about 5 feet. As it starts composting, they like to hang out there on cold days because it's gonna be hot. It's gonna get hot in the middle. And then two, the microbes, the bacteria that starts breaking down attracts bigger bugs and then they eat them.
Did it shock you?
How many eggs?
27 so far.
We just came back from the mill and this is what we came home to. We got our buddies Elijah and Rylan. Rylan, say hi. Show them. Clifton, say hi.
Hi.
New farm hands on the farm.
Cheap labor.
They're very cheap later. We just got to feed them, right, Gil?
Jesus for the Bible.
Tells me so.
What's
I
the
know
Bible
that.
tell you?
Do you like the piggies?
Yeah.
You want to eat them?
No.
You want bacon? Yeah, I know. You want sausage? You like eggs? Here, let's show Rylan this. Look at this, Rylan. What do you think? What are those?
Yeah.
You want to eat them? You sure? Are those eggs?
Yeah.
Those
How
are
do you
awesome.
cook eggies?
LMA, you want to see LMA?
Yeah.
She's parked over there. You want to ride her later? You hungry? You want to go eat?
What's your meemaw's name?
Okay.
LMA.
LMA. That's right. We named the tractor. And look, that's your great grandpa's name. Malin. That's
He's named
Malin.
after Papa.
Yeah.
Papa's name was Malin.
So we named them after.
Bruno used to
Your
live in
Papa.
their house.
Yep.
He used to take care of Meemaw when Meemaw was sick. I'll hold you.
All right, let's go eat. All right, Rylan, Clifton. Nice. Look, Clifton. Show me what you got. Good job. I love it. I love it. Rylan, you guys ready to go get eggs? We're going to go pick up eggs. You want to go get the eggs from the chicken? You guys got to eat all your food, though. Listen to your daddy, all right? I'll be outside waiting.
Take a bite.
All right? See you out here. So we're going to go get eggs, Rylan. Here's your bucket. Hold the bucket. You like eggs? Okay, let's go. Let's go get some eggs. Come on. Give me your hand. You got it? I got a new helper today. We're going to go get eggs. Here we go. Here comes our helper. Emma. You coming to help us or what? Here. You come with me? All right, Rylan. The Rylan show. Here, we'll get you up here. Wow. Come on. You see the chickens? You see the chickens? Big chickens? There's 2 in 1. Come here, Rylan. Okay, you hold your bucket. I'll give you the eggs, okay? Oh, we got huevos. Look, let's put it in there. 1 in here. Hey, stop.
She's about to lay, that's why. Hey, pretty chicken.
Okay, ready? Look at this, Rylan. Look at Rylan's face. Here we go. Another egg. Rylan, you like these? You like the chickens? So we got, I believe we got, how many? 27, and then we have 8 now. That's 35. It's about 3 dozen. We'll come in here, and then, see right now they still want to lay. And then that Hamburg, that one right there lays little cute little white eggs, but they're really nice and rich. Okay, you ready? Let's go back out. Let's go out there. There we go, Rylan. Here, show your mommy. Take these and go show mommy. Come on, let's go. Hey, I got eggs. I'm the egg man.
What you got, Ryan? Eggy.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
He got eggs. Is that Rylan?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ronnie.
Rylan. All right. I got a new helper today. His name is Rylan, and we're gonna go out and ride on the tractor.
Oink, oink.
Oink oink. We got Elijah holding a baby rabbit, and then the other baby, Kayla holding little Kennedy. Yeah. Hey Rylan, come here. Look at this. Let's go look at the pigs. Let's sneak up on them because they're sleeping. Come on. Let's go wake them up. We woke them up. Say, get up, get up. Wake up. What do you think, Rylan? You like them? Huh?
No. No.
They think you got food, buddy.
Don't
Yep.
eat my food.
Will they survive? Dig a ditch. Dig that ditch. Alright, Bruna. Time to hit some VTEX. So Rylan house done. Propane injections on. Ready to hit it. You wanna live out here? In the mud. Hey, Nene. It doesn't work? Why not? It needs some power. Turn it on. Why is it not working? What's wrong with it? It not work. Did you have fun today? Yes. Have fun looking at the animals? Did you have fun? What'd you see? That's not Dada's truck. Where's Dada's truck? Oh, they look the same. Did you hit the trailer? Bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
kids. Now we're having big boy fun. My man Elijah's got his new toy.
Not sighted in at all.
But it's alright. We're here to make noise.
Live.
Go ahead. You're off to right of center.
That's all for my 45.
I saw it. I physically saw it. That's a different. Look at that, how little that hole is. This is your 45.
Yeah.
I saw you hit. You want to shoot the other one? What is this, anyways? What does it hold? What caliber is it?
5.7.
5.7s. My battery ran out on my red dot, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Have a little fun. I'm gonna go fast. Noise, baby. All right, I'm gonna wake up the neighborhood.
All right.
Poor tree. I love it. Now this is the most powerful gun we have here. Don't let this thing fool you. It's like in that movie Men in Black. The biggest
little
gun.
thing. You can't hit a bullseye.
My farts are louder than that.
That second one hit.
Let's see. Uh-oh.
We're all over it. It's just little. It's hard to see.
Yeah.
So it's loaded. Safety's on there.
Where are you going?
Oh, I thought I was shooting from back
You can
there.
shoot from wherever you want.
Wherever you want.
I want to test it out. Let's see.
Now, Ben, we know you're cross-eyed.
Shoot
So-
a little to the left. A little to the left.
A little to the left. All right, going live. There
There you go. A little low. Left. No.
Yep.
Yep, you're out.
More.
All right, to be continue. Come on, let's do it. Safety's on. Oh, I like it. I saw the laser. All right, step back. This is dangerous. Watch this. Staple gun. Almost got it.
Yeah. Dead center.
But then when I go 10 yards back, I'm here. Look at it. See, these are all yours, Ben. These are all mine.
Yeah.
These are all Elijah's. Man.
And there's my sister.
Better though. That's the right way.
Okay.
Ryan, we're going to give you 5 bullets, okay? Okay, we got to be very careful, okay? You have to listen exactly to what Daddy and Bruno say, okay? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a privilege, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you. Hey, we don't pull the trigger until Daddy says so, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're going to cock it. Now it's ready to shoot, okay? This is called a safety, okay? When the safety's in, we can't shoot it. So when we get ready to shoot it, we push the safety and see red? Red means it's going to shoot, okay? So we got to get it ready. Put your hand on it. No, put this hand right here. Yeah, put this in. Okay, Daddy's going to help you first time, okay? It's gonna be loud. Just gotta hold it tight. Can you hold it tight? You holding it? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. You shot. Ready? Just put one finger in here. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. You gonna see where you shot?
I don't think he can hear. So we had a little fun today. Like I said, it's not all work at the farm. We came out here, had a little fun with some of the guns that we have. Tried this one out for a change. I really like this one. Ben shot that one. It's pretty cool. It's expensive though. Good thing it's not mine. Yeah, and then we shot our handguns. We had fun. We got work done today too. We went out and got the feed. We moved the mulch over for the chickens, and then we're gonna do the fence on the garden.
Can you come here and tell Uncle Bruno thank you?
This is the rite of passage, guys. Taking your sons out there, shooting,
Ron, you gonna shoot that piece of wood?
teaching them the ins and outs. And then my older son
Look around.
and my oldest daughter, or I'm sorry, my oldest son and my other daughter. But yeah, it was fun coming out here shooting. Now this is the most powerful gun we have here.
You can't hit a bullseye.
My farts are louder than that.